Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Today I'm going to be bringing you a nail video, and I am bringing you a nail video with the color Peanut Pink. And this is a color, imPRESS color, and this pink is got a little bit of, it's got like a shimmer to it. And it just looks really, really pretty for fall. And I have to tell you, I was in CVS and they have so many beautiful color imPRESS nails. And they also had the Kiss Christmas nails out. And they weren't with the regular nails. They were in a separate section, kind of like where all the new stuff is for makeup and things like that. So they have some really pretty ones, except they're almost all of them are medium to long length, and with those Christmas nails I'm not sure you can cut them down because you might ruin the design, but I don't know, I may try that out. But anyway, if you noticed in my vlog of my trip to the villages in Florida, I had done a video of the nails that I took on the trip, that I wore on the trip, which were kind of like a pretty peachy kind of fall color. And then at the end of the vlog you see that I had red nails on. If you noticed that, it's because that's one of the reasons I really love doing these imPRESS glue-on nails, because while I was down there I kind of wanted to change up my nails. I'd had them on for just about a week, and I wanted more of a pop of color. So I just went into the Publix, which is the grocery store down there, and picked up those red nails. Easily took off my other nails by picking up some of these little wooden cuticle sticks. And it's just so easy to just, you know, pop it underneath the nail and pop off the old set, and then put, you know, give it a little file and put on your new set. So these are so convenient, they're so inexpensive, and they really last. And one of the things that has really been a game changer for me is that I learned to let my own natural nail grow under, you know, before I was clipping them down to nothing, well, you know, to the fingertip. So when you clip the nail down short, when you have your glue-on nail, there's no support there when you're using your nail maybe to do something. So when you have your own natural nail a little bit longer underneath, then it has some support for doing anything, opening cans, you know, like removing one of the little plastic tabs from something. You know, when you don't have your own nail under there, you can pop off the nails easily when you're trying to do something like that. I'm not losing the nails like I did before, so I really find that that's a great game changer. Now, I do have, so my own natural nails, I have to kind of clip the edges, because if I don't, they're just really, really square. And I don't want that square sticking out. So really all I'm gonna do is I'm just going to take the little corner of my nails. Some of them don't have it because you know, they're not in great shape because they're underneath my glue-on nails. But I'm just going to kind of clip the edge with my clipper, just to kind of give it a pointed edge. That way it doesn't show underneath the glue-on nail. So I'm just going to do that to all of my nails, and then I'm just going to choose my sizes and put these nails on and get a new set. So come on down with me and I'll show you what I'm going to be doing.
I don't know where you came from. I don't know what you did to my heart. You touched my soul like a phantom, and you did it right from the start. Like nobody is watching what we're doing. with you, I don't need the contest. Like nobody is judging while we're dancing. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. Follow you, the only thing I want to.
Okay guys, so I really love this color. I think it's so pretty and it's dark enough to be fall, like a fall color, but it's got a little shimmer to it. It's so gorgeous. I really love this color. Under 15 minutes and I have a beautiful new manicure. And I did let my nails breathe for a couple of days after I took off my old set of nails. I just felt like I wanted to give my nails a breather, but my nails are in very good condition. They're still healthy. So yeah, these nails are definitely a win-win from imPRESS. And this color again is peanut pink. I think it is just an absolutely beautiful color. And for under $10 and under 15 minutes, I have a new manicure. And I will be able to enjoy this manicure for at least a week. If I feel like re-gluing them back on, if some pop off, I could probably go longer than a week. But my thing is, I get bored with the colors and I like to change things up, which is another reason why these imPRESS nails work so well for me. So hopefully you have given them a try and they work for you as well. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment in the comment section. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope that you will consider subscribing. I hope that you will hit that like button and I hope that you will come back. So thanks for watching everyone. Take care. Bye for now.